Hi all and welcome back to Next Stage Designs with me Sylvia. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet another lovely headband. So for today's video I'll be using my very favorite mercerized cotton yarn. They recommend the hook size 4, but I will be using again 3.5 millimeters because unlike my stitch is little bit tighter. Okay, so you will also need some scissors, a yarn needle. So with this headband we are going to start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers like so and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down, twist your hook and release. And this is your slip knot. Next, we are going to chain 3, yarn over and pull through that loop like so. So yarn over, this is your chain 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll be working into this very first stitch here, and we are going to place 3 single crochet into this very first stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, bring it through, yarn over again and pull through. This is your very first one, and we need 2 more into the same stitch. Insert, yarn over, bring it up, yarn over and pull through. So we have 2 single crochet, and the last one, insert, yarn over, bring it up, yarn over and pull through. Now you are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and we are going to turn clockwise like so. And we are going to do exactly the same, but we'll be working into this very first stitch. Where is this chain of 2 coming from? So into this one here, and into this one here you will place again 3 single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over again and pull through, and we need 2 more into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 1 more. Okay, now chain 2, 1 and 2, and again turn clockwise, and again into the same stitch. Where is your chain of 2 coming from? You're gonna place again 3 single crochet. Insert, pull through, insert, 2 loops and 1 more. You can squeeze the stitches aside so they sit nicely. So I need 1 more here. Make them nice and tight. Chain 2 and turn your work. And we will be working like this until we have 8 of these. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Insert, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, 1 and 2. Turn clockwise and again 3 single crochet. into the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 and continue until you have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 3 more, and then I show you what to do next. Okay, so once you are done with your 8 mini fans with the 3 single crochet, we are going to do exactly the same, but this time we'll be placing 5 single crochet. Okay, so again I chain 2 and I'm going to place 5 into the same stitch. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and again chain 2, turn your work clockwise, and again into this very first stitch you will place 5. Okay, and continue until you get 5 of these mini fans with 5 stitches in. Okay, so I have 1, 2, so I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And once you have 5 of these 5, I'll show you what to do next. And once you have 5 of these with 5 stitches in, we are going to chain 2, and we are going to do again the same, but we'll be placing 7 stitches into the same stitch. Okay, and with the 7 stitches into the same stitch, we'll do again 5. Okay, so turn your work and into the same stitch place 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, move your stitches, 5, 6, and 7. Chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, and again into the same stitch. Where is your chain coming from? Place 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, and we will do 5 of these as well. 1, 2, so chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work, and do 3 more. Okay, dokie, so I have finished my 5 with the 7 stitches. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with 3 stitches. Then we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 5 stitches. Then we should have 5 with 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 7 stitches. And now we are going to do exactly the same, but the opposite. So we are going to do 5 with the 5 stitches, and we're gonna end up with last 8 with 3 stitches. So we'll be going basically backwards. So I have finished my 7 in the last 5. So I've done last 5 with the 7 stitches. Now I'm going to do 5 with the 5 stitches. So continue this way into the first stitch. Again we are going to do 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2, and turn clockwise, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 1, 2 with 5 stitches, and I need 3 more. Okay, so again 5. Okay, so I have finished my 5 stitches with 5 stitches in the same stitch, and the last one will be 8 stitches with 3 stitches into the same stitch. Okay, so we're gonna chain 2, turn our work, and only place 3 stitches in the same stitch. So 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and turn your work, and again to this very first one, 1, 2, and 3, and again chain 2 and turn your work, and you're gonna do so I had done 1, 2, and we are going to do so 6 more times. Okay, so let's fasten off, and you can also slip stitch like this, and you will make it nice and round. And now you have 2 options. You can add a chain from here like so, and again chain as long as you want, but I decided to go with the double chain, so I'll show you how to do it in a minute. So but before I show you how to do it, I am going to fasten off like so. So I chain the chain, which is 70 centimeters long. And once you are done with your chain, maybe you want longer, it's up to you. You are going to fasten off, and of course you are going to fold it in half like so. Going to take your hook and bring it through this gap, or if you want, you can bring it through the stitch as well. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this gap. Okay, once you fold it in half, you are going to bring it in like so, create a loop, and bring it in, and this will be nice and secure, and it looks lovely when you have double chain. And you are going to do exactly the same on the other side, but before we do so, we are going to hide these ends, and also at the end, it's again up to you. What would you like to do? You can also add some beads at the end, or just leave it like this with a knot and then cut it off, or you can of course thread it and hide it inside this chain. So I'm going to show you how to hide this end, and of course don't forget to do so on the both sides. Okay, so I'm just simply going to hide these ends so they're not in the way. and then just cut it off. It's inside. And do so on both sides. And this is our beautiful headband. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like my video, share my video, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to Unique Stitch Designs with me, Sylvia. Thank you very much for watching.